Customer dashboard. You can view customer dashboard from Home. Select Customer Dashboard. Here you can view top customers by outstanding balances. You can view as a chart or as a grid. You can sort by balance or sort by company name. And by settings, you can set number of customers. You can view customer balances days outstanding. You can view the age analysis, current period, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 plus days. You can view top customer by sales. You can view as a grid or chart. And you can view customer reports. Choosing the dashboard you want to display. Only users have the option to choose the dashboard they want to display when logging into the system. To access this function, select Administration, My Profile, select Preferences tab. From default dashboard to display, you can select Customer Dashboard. After that, save.